Daniel Lee Helton, 54 years old. I've been married to my wife, Sandra, for 27 years. And I have 2 children, they're fully grown. I joined the military at 18. Right after I joined, the Persian Gulf War broke out and we were all prepped to go overseas. My liver numbers, enzymes started to increase at that point, and they were always high. The condition I have has been going on for 30 years. My liver didn't fail because of alcohol or anything like that. It just slowly died. Most of my care at the time was going through the VA. A couple of my doctors got together and I was at stage 4 liver failure. They're like, we have to get you on a transplant list. And I continued to get sicker and sicker. Couldn't drive to Chicago, which is the big hospital for the VA. They contracted with Franciscan Health to do a lot of my testing because it's much closer to home for me. So that's how I became intimately involved in Franciscan Health. And the staff here was absolutely amazing to me. I mean, every time I was here, and it didn't matter if it was the front desk or the security guard or the nurses, the doctors, they all treated me extremely well. More so than many places I had been before. I got kind of worse and worse, and I ended up being hospitalized here. And at that time, one of the chaplains, he stopped in to see me a couple times a day. And when you're at that stage of sickness, you're scared. But just the comforting factor of him stopping in to see me, we didn't speak a lot about religion. It was just friendship and humanity, and that's when it really kind of all started to affect me in such a positive way, because in many ways, the failing of my liver helped me see the humanity that's out there. It changes you. And the people here and the people at the VA were just unbelievable to me. It was a horrible experience to go through, but at the same time, when I look back and I see how it changed me spiritually, and the people I met here that took care of me and genuinely cared for me, it made me a different person. And it teaches you what's really important in life. That's caring about each other. It's emotional. Not knowing how it was going to play out for me. I needed that time with the chaplain. I needed that comfort to know that things were going to be okay. He definitely made me feel that way, that there was going to be hope, you know. I feel that it was important to me to tell this story, to pay it forward, to let people know that this is a good place of comfort, and they will help you not only get better, but feel better about yourself and your future with hope.